Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Photoshop just released their generative fill using generative AI. And at this moment, they only have it in the beta app. So don't go to the classic Photoshop and try to download that and try to use this generative fill because it's not on there. Maybe it will be in the future, but currently not really. And in order to check, you have to get the latest version. And to check the latest version, here is 24.6. Make sure to guess this one. It's not going to be on 24.5. Okay. And as you can see, I already installed it. So just to save some time, we can launch it from here. Let's give it a sec. It's going to take some time to load because my computer's slow. Okay, awesome. So I already have some pictures right here, but if you don't have any and you want to modify some of them, then you can click on open and you should be able to select some of your pictures. So I'll go ahead and open up this one. Okay. First of all, I want to replace this background. So I'm going to choose like a select tool from here. There's a few, but I like the magnetic lasso tool just because it just automatically follows the border here and it's just easier. I mean, it doesn't do a perfect job, but it does the job, you know?
Few moments later.
Okay, so I jumped forward and made a selection because my computer freezes every single time I record it and select it at the same time. So right now you can see there's a generative fill here, and you can just type in anything that you want to replace it with. Like, I'll just do plants because it's easy to type. And then you do generate, and you just wait for a few good seconds. And yeah, it's taking pretty long. Let's be patient. Almost there. Oh, here you go. So what's interesting, well, not interesting, but it does give you like 3 different types of variations. Not bad, but I mean, if you don't like it as much, you can probably change it just here, and so you don't have to redo the selection. I'll say like flowers. Generate. And then we wait for another good few seconds. I like how it like just adds these images as layers instead. So if you really don't like them, you can like later just delete them. But yeah, let's take a look at these few options. Yeah, I mean, they're not the best, but I mean, you kind of get the idea here of how to use it. So just need to play around with it a little bit more. If you want it to be a little bit better, maybe do a better job than me on like selecting the background. And yeah, just to show you how to delete it, you just go over here. You see the layer. This is called generative layer. And well, here, before I delete that, you can see your previous variations here. So you can just like check them out right here. And if you really hate them, then you just delete them. Just do like yes, and then you get back your original image. Yeah, so that's all. Well, thanks very much for watching. Oh, remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.